Friends, Running Kimono here. So we have some cheap and free deals over at a variety of stores, including everybody's favorite Walgreens, Dollar General, and Meijer. And a lot of you might be dealing with a very ugly snowstorm that's been here since Saturday. If you live in the Midwest, Upper Peninsula, Northern Michigan, a lot of us have been going through it. And just a point of advice, because I have been couponing for a very long time. Deals always come back, and sometimes driving in these really awful conditions, or if you can't even get out of your driveway, I think that might be your sign not to go out, because deals always come back. So just be super smart out there, guys, because driving in these white knuckle conditions is just not fun. Be smart, be safe out there, but be a smart driver on top of being a smart couponer, guys, because again, if you're a new couponer, you're trying to build your stockpile and you want to chase every single deal, these deals will always come back. And take this from Aunt Rach, who's been doing this a very long time. Please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. Really helps out the video, and I think it might melt snow up here in Michigan. If you guys could just like the video, I would be so grateful. First thing this morning, your Walgreens digital account, I got a 4 back when you buy 2 dental care products, and a 15 back when you buy the fancier P&G. Load both of those boosters right away. Okay, so the first deal I'm going to show you is with this digital booster, and I'll let you guys know I did have a lot of problems in the store this morning where the register reward machine was printing, but there was no paper, and I actually got another paper booster, but I didn't get it because nothing printed. So I feel and hear you guys, but I still had this booster I wanted to use, and specifically what I did for this deal, and I had no idea it would stack up so beautifully for me. I really stocked up on Listerine. This is a favorite between myself and my husband. We don't get a lot of deals for this. $4 reward when you buy 2 of them, and we have 1 chintzy dollar coupon. Last week, from all the razor deals I was doing, including the Schick one, I had a $10 register reward that I tossed into this deal. Over on Fetch, $8.50 when you spend $45. So if you do the deal 3 times, you're going to get $8.50. Hi, that's really fantastic. So grabbing 2 of these Listerines for me, it was $16.48. Subtracting that 1 digital, I had my booster loaded. I spent $15.48 with my debit card. I actually used a register reward, so it was a smidge less out of pocket. Got back $5 in Walgreens cash plus a $4 register reward. Took a picture for that progressive fetch. It basically made it $6.48 for the 2 or $3.24 per Listerine, which is a really good price point. As I'm using a booster, I can't use any Walgreens cash, but I certainly can use manufacturer register rewards, which I did do. And then that progressive fetch rebate, I mean, I can buy Tylenol, I can buy Johnson's & Johnson's, I can buy other things with it. So this first deal, not bad. Okay, so this next deal that we're looking at is for the fancier $6 Colgates. As discussed on Sunday, we have $3 digitals for both, and we have a $5 reward when you buy 2 of them, which is absolutely fantastic. And this toothbrush is really great too. If you've never tried it, I would definitely, it's definitely worth doing this deal. So you're going to grab 1 fancy toothpaste and 1 fancy brush. They're $6 each, so that's $12. Now, the great thing about this week is that we have a $3 off the brush and a $3 off the paste. Make sure you're grabbing the right items that are tagged as well. Grabbing 1 of each, a fancy brush and a fancy paste, that's $12. Subtracting $6, and then if you want to throw in that $4 register reward from the Listerine, why not? You would pay down 2, get back a $5 register reward. If you want to use up to $2 of Walgreens cash, you're doing this without boosters. I think this is just a tremendous smart deal from rolling 1 to the second. And yes, a second one will print for you. I tested and did this deal this morning. It was fantastic. To show you guys, here are my register rewards. The $4 for the Listerine, which is a Kenvu product, and then the $5 for buying 2 of those Colgate, so not bad. I also ran into a problem with this. Even though it's tagged at the store, $5 Walgreens gift card when you purchase 2, this is the $3.75 count for $3.99. This, even though it's showing on the app that it's part of it, in store it did not trigger the gift card. 2 options: ask a manager for help because it is tagged at the store. They should have given you a gift card. Alternatively, return it And I did this separately because I didn't want any trouble with it. I thought it would be trouble, and it was trouble. So I would grab either the 200 counter of the cotton swabs or maybe the 500 count of these cotton swabs for your ears, because I ran into trouble Wednesday morning and I don't exactly know why. It was tagged at the store. Again, you have the option to ask the manager for Walgreens cash or alternatively return items. Now, rolling it from transaction 1 to transaction 2 to transaction 3, this is what I would do. Probably pick up the 500 counts, however it might be, $7.98. That $5 register reward from Colgate, throw it into this deal, pay $2.98. The cashier will get prompted to give you a $5 gift card. So it would make it $1.49 per 500 count, or whichever one is listed at your store. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And definitely I would, if it's tagged, they have to honor it at the store. It's as easy as that, or just return it. But I would do this deal on its own. In the past, this deal was always very fussy, whatever adjective you want to use. So yeah, just be careful. I would just do 2 at a time. Don't throw 100 in a basket and hope to get, like, at the Price is Right moment, getting rained on with those gift cards, because if only one prints for you, you're going to be doing a bunch of returns. So I would just start with 2 and see what happens, because it's always been messy, this. I don't know why. Over at the Dollar General, if you can track these down, they are the 2-ounce Vaseline. Either find them in the travel section in those little bins, or alternatively, you might find them in the regular lotion aisle. They might have them smartly on a display. They're $2 each, so 2 of them is 4. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that's attaching. It basically makes them for free. Alternatively, there's a lip balm that is, I believe, $2.50, so 2 of those would be $5. After the coupon, you're paying $1 for 2 lip balms. But these Vaseline 2-ounce lotions is the best deal. Remember, it's 1 per store card, but definitely, if you can track these down, if you live in an area where the weather's been really, really dreadful, probably not a lot of people going to the Dollar General doing coupon deals. So maybe this is one that you can do later in the week. Unfortunately, my store didn't have any left in stock, so I couldn't do the deal. But you're looking for the 2-ounce lotions, or alternatively the $2.50 lip balms that you might find on a side cap or towards the checkout lanes. But yeah, why not get something for free this week? The final store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest. Picking up one of these Bueno Kinder, it's a pint of hazelnut and chocolate ice cream for $4.49. You would pay that amount. Over on Fetch, you're getting 1,000 points for every $1 spent. It'll make it absolutely free, 1 per Fetch account. Okay, this deal, courtesy of Rolling Coupon Moms, the Klondike Original 6 counters are $4.59. You're going to grab 2 for this deal. We have an M-Perk, which is a digital coupon. It's buy 1, get 1 free. So load that little friend. Over on IBOTTA, $1.50 back for each one. That's $3 back. Over on Fetch, 800 points when you buy 2, which is basically 80 cents. So not too shabby. Looking at the math for this one, guys, grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $9.18. Subtracting that BOGO free coupon, you're paying $4.59. Photographing your receipt for $3 back from IBOTTA. And then photographing your receipt for 80 cents back from Fetch. It makes it 79 cents for the 2, or 39 cents per box of 6. That's a really great price point. The question is, do you eat these sweet treats in the dead of winter? I certainly don't. Again, special thank you to Rolling Coupon Moms over on Instagram. Her IBOTTA, I think, was $1.50 back when you buy 2, but mine was $1.50 back up to a limit of up to 5 times, so I got the better deal. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.